Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video. Appreciate your time, your support. Drove down to the local Best Buy, did a little hands-on time with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. A solid device in hand. Looks and feels great. Want to give a huge shout out to Tim, a young man working at Best Buy, helped me out by holding both devices in hand so I could get some really nice shots of the top and bottom areas of the Z Fold 5 and the Google Pixel Fold. You can see the hinge area right there. You can see that the Pixel Fold still that much thinner. Both smartphones have camera bumps. I'm really digging the Z Fold camera bump almost as much as my Google Pixel Fold, but they both look good as individual devices. You will be seeing some pic and video comparisons between the two. A lot of display real estate on both of these smartphones. The Z Fold 5 can utilize 3 apps at once. The Pixel Fold only 2 when it comes to multitasking. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this quick hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Stay tuned, I'm telling you, there's going to be a lot more coming from Team My Project 13. God bless you all. Stay safe and healthy. Peace. I am out.